Welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into the history of Eid-ul-Adha, one of the most significant festivals observed by Muslims worldwide. Eid-ul-Adha, also known as the Festival of Sacrifice, commemorates the devotion and obedience of the Prophet Ibrahim and his willingness to sacrifice his beloved son, Ismail, in obedience to Allah's command. This event holds immense significance in the Islamic faith and serves as a reminder of unwavering faith and submission to Allah. The story of Eid-ul-Adha is intertwined with the rituals of Hajj, the annual pilgrimage to the holy city of Mecca. During the Hajj season, Muslims from around the world gather to perform various acts of worship and seek spiritual purification. The climax of Hajj is the day of Arafah, where pilgrims gather on the plains of Arafat to seek Allah's forgiveness and mercy. The symbolic act of sacrifice is a central aspect of this Eid. Following the example set by Prophet Ibrahim, Muslims who are financially able sacrifice an animal, typically a sheep, goat, cow, or camel, as an act of obedience and gratitude to Allah. The meat from the sacrificed animal is divided into 3 parts. 1/3 is kept for the family, 1/3 is shared with relatives and friends, and 1/3 is distributed among the less fortunate in the community. Eid-ul-Adha is a time of joy, unity, and compassion. Muslims gather in mosques and open spaces for congregational prayers, dressed in their finest attire. Families and friends come together to exchange greetings, share meals, and strengthen their bonds. And that concludes our exploration of the history of Eid-ul-Adha. This blessed occasion serves as a reminder of Prophet Ibrahim's unwavering faith, the importance of sacrifice, and the spirit of compassion and unity that permeates the Islamic faith.